Alright, let's dive into the world of self-care and recovery. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or lost during your recovery process? If so, this video is for you. Today, we're going to talk about renewing your soul and staying grounded while on the journey of recovery. It's essential to maintain a sense of balance and connection with yourself during this time. During recovery, it's common to feel disconnected or uncentered, which can make the process even more challenging. But fear not, as we have a unique trick to share with you that can help you navigate through these feelings. Let's explore this trick together. By incorporating mindfulness meditation into your daily routine, you can renew your soul and stay grounded. This practice allows you to be present in the moment, reconnect with your inner self, and find peace amidst chaos. Now, here comes the climax. By implementing this trick into your life, you'll experience a profound shift. You'll notice increased clarity, reduced stress, and a deeper sense of inner peace. This simple yet powerful technique can truly transform your recovery journey. In conclusion, staying grounded and connected to yourself is crucial during the recovery process. Remember to prioritize self-care, practice mindfulness, and nurture your soul along the way. As we wrap up, I encourage you to try out this mindfulness meditation trick and share your experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on self-care and personal growth. Together, we can renew our souls and stay grounded during recovery. Thank you for watching, and take care.